Okay, hello everybody. May 13th, 2016, number 13. Kind of unlucky, especially for those of you playing baseball tonight. It's going to be a pretty unlucky night. Well, let's take a look at our forecast. We're going to start off with the Doppler radar here. This is just a little reflectivity model here. We have some rain system that's extending over Lake Michigan, but the main part of this is not actually over Lake Michigan. I'm going to switch to Doppler radar here now, just to get a little more detail on the system. Here we go right now. This is Doppler radar currently. I'm going to take off a few of these layers for you here, so you can get the main picture of what we're going to actually see tonight here. So we're going to take off some of our layers for you, but definitely going to keep on here. So right now we're going to start at 3:15 p.m. As I said, the storm system overlaying most of the northeast area at the moment. Just looking out a bit right now, you can kind of see that this storm is extending southward, southwestward, especially here along this line that I'll show you here. This line it's kind of extending into Kansas City here. This line that's going to be keeping on moving southeastward at about 20 to 25 miles an hour. Definitely not going to hit us, but we will see this rain system up to the north here. That's going to be hitting us, and we're going to show you its track here. So zoom back in right now. Here's 3:15 p.m. Currently Doppler showing us. We're going to push this up to about 5:30 p.m. As you see, the storm starts to advance into the area, but still not here yet. This is covering Elgin. Now, if you're in those southern suburbs, you will see some severe weather and embedded thunderstorms. And so, as you see, this is kind of southward of Aurora. Is going to be starting to feel these that severe weather effect later into the evening. Here, moving this. Some of you have baseball games. 6:15, we have a washout starting of the most area. And as I said, this line of thunderstorms extends into Aurora, kind of actually affecting a little bit northward of that right now here. As that's what our futurecast is expecting, especially that Aurora line extending southward. Naperville going to get in there, Elgin, part of Waukegan, also the south side of Chicago, maybe downtown, getting a little action of the severe weather and embedded thunderstorms in that system. So playing this ahead to about 7:15 now, whole area. Now look at this map. Elgin is getting zooming into this area a little bit more here. Elgin's starting to get the severe weather. Waiting for this to pop up. We are a little slow today, but as you see, these clusters of severe thunderstorms are going to be embedded in this storm, and some of those storm cells could be dangerous. Now we're talking hail, small hail, strong winds, definitely some constant lightning here. We're definitely going to expect that. And you see here, especially in the southern suburbs, DeKalb, Wheaton, Aurora, Naperville, Oak Lawn, Orland Park, all those areas. Whereas in the north area, the heavy rain will fall, but no severe weather is expected. We extend, and this just keeps on flowing in here, but taking a look now, you kind of see that, as I said, the severe weather will extend off the lake, especially in the Chicago area here as well. So you got to be careful if you're going to be going down there, because that's where some of the severe weather action could be. Going back to our other system here to show you this. Going to pop this up for you here. This is once again, our Doppler radar image as of about 2:40 p.m. And going to kind of show you this rain system. This is actually kind of overlaying what's exactly going to hit us, because we're not going to be getting all that action there, definitely. So we're going to have to watch that here, and I'll kind of outline this for you. This area here is what we're going to see. We're probably not going to see the southern part of this system, because that's just not what we're going to see. We're going to probably see up here, and that's where all that rain's just going to come down and wash out. Now, taking a look at our current conditions across the area, we are 67 degrees right now. Humidity low at 46%. That will definitely improve. Wind speed coming out 3 miles an hour out west-northwest right now, keeping that weather in mind, west-northwest, exactly where that Doppler radar is, showing that rain, and going to pop this up again, west-northwest. That's where we're looking for that rain to come in. So going back to this model here, partly cloudy outside across most areas right now. Record high was 86 degrees in 1961. Low was in 1981, 29 degrees, and our average is about 66, so we're about there right now. And average lows in the 30s, actually kind of in the mid-40s. We're going to be a little cooler than that tonight, I'll show you that. Record was 29. That is definitely cold there. So here's our hourly forecast, how this is going to play out tonight. So 3 p.m., we are 64 degrees and mostly cloudy across the area. 4 p.m., we're still dry, 45% humidity. We have to keep the humidity in mind here. Just keep it in the back of your head. We are cloudy. And then I bolded this area because this is when the rain's going to really start putting in a solemn effect here. That starts at 5 p.m., 58 degrees. The major temperature decrease after 3 p.m. is going to be definitely, you're going to have to watch that. Look at our humidity increase, 62% by 5 p.m. And we do have rain falling by that time. 6 p.m. we're looking 54 degrees, 75% humidity. And more rain will fall, 7 p.m. 53. And humidity stays around the mid-70s. And we have rain continuing 8 p.m. as well. So you see that temperature decrease. But 10 p.m. we're at 48. We start out at 64. Definitely a decrease there. I'm going to show you the Dopplers here one more time. This is what's going on here. And as I said, northwest, this is this area up here. That's where we're going to see that rain falling. So you'll have to keep that in mind if you have baseball tonight or any other sport you got going on, because the weather will have an effect on what you're going to be doing. So in any case, have a good night, everybody, and we'll see you back here tomorrow. Have a good day, and thank you for watching.